Hello everyone, my name is Mharz, and in today's video, we are going to make a cheesecake from Quezo de Bola. It's almost Christmas and Quezo de Bola is a thing in our Filipino culture. So I've read this recipe in a website somewhere. I'll post the link in the description if anyone's interested. Without further ado, let's do this. For the base, I'm gonna use some chalk chip cookies. Let's put the cookies in the Ziploc bag and smash the hell out of it using a hammer or whatever tool you can use to smash it. Once the cookies are all ground up, let's put it in a bowl with melted butter. We then mix it up until it looks like wet sand. For the filling, we need cream cheese and some sugar. Let's whisk this up until nice and smooth. Next, we're gonna add grated Quezo de Bola. Okay, well, I might have packed it in a little tightly. Let's hope this turns out well. Lastly, we'll add a single egg in this and mix it up again until it's all combined. That looks like a cheesecake filling, yeah? Let's pour it out to the tin with the cookie base and bake it at around 40 minutes or until the center is almost set, and by that it means it's not super jiggly anymore. Cheesecake baked, and I just added some homemade strawberry jam on top so it has some extra flavor and color. I'll be honest with you guys, I'm not really a fan of this. The taste is pretty decent, but the texture is putting me off. It's way harder than a typical cheesecake. Maybe packing the Quezo de Bola tight is not a very good idea. My mom didn't like this either. She said it was a bit salty, so it's a nope for us. So I won't really be making this again. Maybe you guys will like it. Maybe it will work better if you don't compact the queso. I don't know. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching everyone, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!